Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. Actually, you know what? Give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. 3, 2, 1. हेलो हाय अभी मैं आपका अच्छे से ढंग से स्वागत कर सकती हूँ. सो वेलकम बैक टू नखरेबाज. आई एम स्तुति एंड टुडे वी आर हियर फॉर अनदर व्लॉग इन माई लाइफ. अ व्लॉग इन माई लाइफ, अ डे इन माई लाइफ. आप सोच रहे होंगे कि व्हाट इज दिस वीडियो अबाउट. आज होने क्या वाला है? फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग नहीं पता मुझे. आई हैव नो क्लू. बट दिस इज सो कूल. आई लव दिस. हेलो मदर.
Hi.
This is fun. So I thought कि let's just take you guys with me. I don't know कोई देखना चाहेगा या नहीं. Coffee, good, strong. I want to do more vlogs. Let's just start. Can we start again? I'm just gonna start again. Hi guys and welcome back to Nakrebaz. So yeah, I have some things on my to-do list today, which I want to do with you guys. First of all, I've got one new thing today, which I'm going to open up. It's a package, which I'm going to open up. Here it is. And then I'm going to learn how to use it. And then I'm going to try it out. And you guys are going to watch all of that, by the way. This one gives you apparently a good amount of stabilization. Just to see I'm walking right now. बहुत ही entertaining होने वाला है. I hope. उसके बाद एक वीडियो है जो मुझे एडिट करना है. You can see I use Final Cut Pro. So yeah, this is an app which you have to pay for. उसके बाद I have to write a script for another video which I will be shooting tomorrow or day after. वो भी करना है. This one I just write my script for all the videos. So without any further ado, none of this is making any sense until I tell you what the package is, and then things will make sense. So let's go. So as you guys know, I've told you that I've always I shoot them on my phone. Right now also just I'm shooting it. This is on my phone right now. But I thought कि चलो थोड़ा सा upgrade करते हैं. थोड़ा सा इसको थोड़ा सा प्रोफेश टाइप का बनाते हैं. So मैंने कुछ खरीदा है. Here it is. This is the Sony ZV-1 vlog camera. I'm sure if you guys follow YouTubers or vloggers, you must have seen people recently buying this because it's supposed to be the best vlogging camera right now in 2020. So yeah, and this is not sponsored. I wish it was sponsored. Sony, अगर आप सुन रहे हो तो please कर दो ना मुझे sponsor. Let us see the camera. There we are. There is the camera. This choo-choo baby. It is a very small, very sleek, very handy and portable camera. This is the kind of thing which I wanted. क्योंकि vlogging जब आप कर रहे हो, usually you're traveling or you're moving around the house. You don't want to carry on something bulky. At least I don't. So basically, it opens up like this. Yeah, when you open the screen, it automatically switches on, which is actually really good for vloggers, right? It's a flip screen. And you can see yourself, if you know what I mean, for vlogging. Along with this, they gave, so there's 2 batteries which came with it. Dead cat thing which you put on top to make sure that the sound, you don't get the wind obstruction and stuff like that. You get clear sound. Okay, so this is the dead cat and you just... Also, what I got with this is this. It's a shooting grip. So basically what it is it has Bluetooth. You attach the camera on top यहाँ पे. It has Bluetooth. You can pair it with your camera, and then you can use it to shoot like this. And it has all the controls on it. You can press record, you can zoom in, zoom out, take photos and stuff like that. So that also makes it super handy as a vlogging camera. You can buy it without this, and we are all set. So let's try this baby out, yeah? Because I have this now, I am going to be vlogging a lot. So this vlog is going to be the first vlog of more vlogs to come. I want to start doing a lot of vlogs. I don't know if किसी को मन है देखने का या नहीं, but ये मैं करना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे बहुत मन लगता था. So yeah, this is going to be my baby. This is going to be my new kit. I'm going to take this with me everywhere, and we are going to do a lot of vlogging. What do you think should be the name? You guys are so good at names, okay? Like clearly I'm lacking in that department. But तुम लोगों ने इतने अच्छे नाम दिए हैं मुझे, जैसे नखरा फैम, you guys came up with. What do you think I should name the series, this vlog series that I'm planning to do, you know? Like something with the word stew in it, or something with stuti or stew. I don't know, तुम लोग बताओ. If you can think of something fun, some cool series name for the vlogs, then you tell me, okay? And yeah, this is going to be, I don't know what to name her right now. अभी I think क्योंकि ये ZV1, I'll name her Ziva. जैसे धोनी की जीवा है, ये मेरी जीवा है. It's my choo baby. Now, let's try this baby out. I'll show you guys some other features which are there in this, क्योंकि मुझे भी सीखना है. Now, the next shot which you guys will see will be from the Sony ZV-1. How does it look? Let's check it out. See you on the other side. Bye! And here we are with the Sony ZV-1. Does it feel different? Does it feel more professional? Batao. You can see the difference in the clarity and the quality, and I hope the sound is also coming good. But today let's find out what are some of the features of this Sony ZV-1. Okay, so मैंने अभी इसको अपने desk पे रखा है on the tripod, and I've turned on my desk light, so I think this lighting also looks nice. यार ये flip screen मैं तो अपने आप को देखते रहूँगी. I have to remind myself to look here, not here, here, not here. So I've turned on the product placement mode, जिसमें आप किसी भी चीज़ को सामने रख दो and it will automatically focus on that. So let's try. Wow. Do you see how fast and how seamless that is? Like usually क्या करना होता है ना कि अपने like face को छुपाओ and then like people usually do this like ऐसे करके, right? But you don't need to do that in this one. When you have this mode on, it will automatically know कि I need to focus on that object. So cool. I feel like now I should become a beauty blogger now. ऐसे because they always do this. They show the product कि अभी ये mascara लगाएंगे and then लगाते हैं, अभी ये करेंगे. कोई बात नहीं, हम भी कर लेंगे ब्यूटी वीडियोस. हाँ, क्या बोलते हो? देखना है आपको ब्यूटी रूटीन, मेकअप रूटीन, क्या क्या, आई डोंट नो क्या क्या बोलते हैं उसको. हम भी कर लेंगे. ऐसा क्या, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, हम भी कर सकते. नाइस. इज इट रिकॉर्डिंग? या इट्स रिकॉर्डिंग. सॉरी, मेरे को एक बार करना है. इट्स नॉट रिकॉर्डिंग. Gotta get used to this camera. Hello friends, अब मैं बाहर आ चुकी हूँ. मैंने सोचा थोड़ा सा बाहर भी ट्राई कर लूँ, इसको टेस्ट किया जाए, है ना? Let's go and see. Let's go to the garden. There's nice scenery. Okay, so इसमें there's apparently some beauty mode. इसमें आपका skin smoothing वगैरह भी करता है. So let's try it. Let's see what it's like. If it works, that's cool. Sometimes we all need a little help, है ना? जैसे अभी मेरा skin cooperate नहीं कर रहा है मेरे साथ. एक मेहमान आया हुआ है, बिन बुलाए मेहमान जो आ जाते हैं और फिर जाते ही नहीं है. मतलब चले जाओ ना. Like get the hint, bro. So this is what it looks like right now without any skin smoothing. And we have turned on the high level skin smoothing. I don't know कुछ पता चल रहा है कि नहीं. इसमें तो पता नहीं चलता है, but जब मैं ये edit करूँगी तो देखते हैं कि पता चलता है कि नहीं. Oh, I think I can see the skin. I can see the skin smoothing thing यहाँ पे light में दिख रहा है मुझे. One of the reasons I wanted to do this vlog thing was because I thought कि you know, I want you guys to see the real me, you know, without so much like no script, no agenda in mind. So you should see me how I am in real life. मैं सुबह उठते ही उठते आप लोगों से बात करना चालू कर दूंगी, okay? So be ready. Yeah, this light looks really nice here, है ना? I feel like I should take a photo. So now I've switched on active stabilization, which I think should give you even more steady shot. Like, but then it crops you थोड़ा सा इसमें कम कर देता है आपका area, if you can see. But this is supposed to be active stabilization. It should not be shaking. That's the point of this setting. So I think it's doing a pretty good job. Oh, देखिए मेरे पीछे कौन है? Hello. Say hi, Nakra fam. ये क्या है? ये नया कैमरा आया है मेरे पास, है ना? He doesn't care. But if I stop petting him, then he will care. Then he's like, oh, don't stop. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, the sun is coming amazing here. I'm taking a photo. So मैं आ गई हूँ अपने जगह पे. This is my editing table. On my desk, I sit and do this. तो अभी मैंने सारा footage transfer कर दिया है. Yeah, I'll show you guys how I edit because every video पे people ask me what do you use to edit, what app do you use to edit, and even though I have explained this so many times, I thought I'll just give you like a short video. I'm not giving you details because that will take a lot of time if I show you exactly how do I edit. If you want more details on editing, I'll make like a full video. So this video is like the trailer. So as you can see, I use Final Cut Pro. So yeah, this is an app which you have to pay for, but it's only a one-time payment. So just say if you decide to go for Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe works with Windows and with Mac. So you can use Adobe, but Adobe mein kya hai ki you have to pay a subscription, like a monthly subscription. Final Cut Pro is a one-time payment. I find it really easy. And what you can do is there's a 3-month free trial which you get for Final Cut Pro. So ab 3 mahine tak use karo. If you get used to it, then you can go on and buy the thing if you actually feel like it's worth it. So right now I have this project going on. This is for abhi I've just called it how I edit wala vlog. क्योंकि इस vlog में बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. इसका नाम, इसका title क्या रखूँगी, I really don't know. यहाँ पर I have the footage, the Sony ZV footage because I had recorded using my phone also शुरू में, right? So you just suppose I take this and इसका volume मैं बढ़ा देती हूँ and I will just drag it here, okay? And this is the timeline. Over here is where all the magic happens, okay? So you choose whichever footage you want, you bring it down here into the timeline, and then you watch it. There's lots of things which you don't want to include in the video, so you can just cut it out. Like for example, I'll take this blade tool, I'll just cut from here to here, I'll select, and I'll just delete, okay? And then, you know, it'll start from here to here, and these are 2 separate clips now. Actually, I should take you step by step, you know, which I will do properly in a video. ये 1 घंटे का video हो जाएगा. So I'm just showing you overview. I think I'll just make another video on how I properly edit, but I just wanted to show you guys what app I use. So yeah, and then I add music, I add transitions, I add effects, I do some color grading, you work on the audio. So yeah, that's basically the basic thing of how to edit. So now I'm going to edit some of this. Let's see how it turns out. Where's my phone? But मुझे कल एक shoot भी करना है, which is the comedy video for this week. So I have to write the script for it. So this is my script book. If you can see, it's called 2019 to 2020 My Year to Shine. अब year to shine तो पता नहीं, इस year बस survive कर जाओ, उतना ही काफ़ी है. But in this one, I just write my script for all the videos. You can see the script here. Yeah, it's filled. It's actually almost over. I actually asked you guys on आप लोग कौन सा दिवाली video देखना चाहेंगे. On this post I asked you, so I got a lot of replies on that. Then I saw the 2 most common ones which most people were saying were types of people on Diwali, and second one is the Diwali expectation versus reality video. And then I put up a poll today morning asking you which one of these 2 would you want to do. See, there was like 88% people have voted for expectations versus reality. So I think we have our winner. So now I'm going to sit and I'm going to write the script. And so hopefully we can shoot this tomorrow. अभी मैं ये करती हूँ, थोड़ा सा काम पे लगती हूँ. ठीक है? I think we should end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed a day in my life. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो don't forget to like the video. और अगर आप यहाँ पे नए हो तो आइए सब्सक्राइब करके रह जाइए. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I'm on YouTube. And come follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on Friday for a very fun comedy video, which is I'm going to write the script for right now. So hopefully it'll be fun. Hope you will watch it and share it with your friends and family. So this is a festive week. It's a really hectic and busy week also, but yeah, it's good. So bye guys, see you on Friday. Until then, keep smiling, keep shining, and I'll see you next time. Bye.